What's the difference between sales and service? Z-Axis is an electronic contract manufacturer, but we're also a service organization. We make products you can see and touch, but it's our services that turn ideas into reality. Service is about solving problems. It requires careful listening and a commitment to understanding the customer's needs. Service works with you to find the right solution. On its own, sales is very different because it's about getting an order, and it isn't concerned with details that might get in the way. Those details come later and are someone else's problem since sales is responsible for selling. At Z-Axis, our commitment to service is grounded in communication and collaboration. This happens at multiple levels. We communicate and collaborate with our customers, but we also work together on their behalf. Let's say you have an idea for a product. We don't just take your order or try to convince you to buy more. Because we genuinely want to help you, we begin by taking the time to understand what you really need. A dedicated account manager then shares your requirements with our in-house experts. You'll gain access to decades of expertise that you won't find at most electronic contract manufacturers. As your project moves forward, your account manager continues to serve as the interface between you and Z-Axis and between our in-house experts and you. Having a single point of contact is efficient, but remember that your account manager isn't alone. If you have a question or need to make a change, your single point of contact can call upon multiple teams. Because Z-Axis offers such a wide range of services, we can provide exactly what you need to turn your ideas into a reality.